The challenges for the industry are immense because the replacement of the linear business model with the concept of circularity is nothing less than a paradigm shift.
We, as one of the leading global sewing thread manufacturers, want to drive the future innovative, sustainable textiles. The principles of circular economy, together with corporate social responsibility, will have a huge impact and overcome social challenges.
The circular economy will be of central importance for the future of the textile industry. To move away from the classic linear business model will be key to overcome the industry's environmental and social challenges of our time. Our life cycle products stand for this transformation. They allow us a glimpse of what should become and needs to become the new standard for the textile industry in future.
The transformation can be accessed if we follow three principles. First of all, time, a better focus on circularity economy, and an inspired consumer for sustainable products. The industry needs to change their existing business processes and models with substantial investments, and the consumer finally has to be aware that a sustainable world, sustainable products and processes are not for free. They all have a price ticket.
Consumers' expectations to quality will not be limited to the product, but will also include the production conditions and their environmental footprint. Future-proof garments will be long-lasting in use, suitable for upcycling, repairable, and for sure 100% capable to support circularity.
Our answer to this challenge are our life cycle product lines. They offer the cradle-to-cradle gold certified sewing threads for both cycles, the biological and the technical one. Besides, we already offer a broad range of products based on recycled raw materials. The production is taking place in our production facilities, which are certified according to the global recycled standard, shortly GRS. The challenges for product development are immense and there are no low-hanging fruits. However, the bigger the challenges we face, the more our creativity and innovation will be fueled.
It is challenging to find suppliers being GS certified and at the same time being also able to deliver material according to our very high quality standards. We now have successfully established a very good network for GS supply chain to support our major projects.
Before, the customer were focusing on quality, service level, and competitive pricing. Meanwhile, the awareness of the customer is growing to use sustainable products, which are capable for circular business models. Our GRS certified product range is supporting this transition of industries, since we are able to provide certified traceable product delivered to our customer base.
We felt the market demand for the recycled product since 2018, which at that time driven by some international brands from Europe and the US. In November of 2020, we successfully conducted the audit and proudly received the GRS certification in January of 2021.
European market regulation will become much more visible in the future. At the same time, the challenge for us as a globally operating company will be to comply with different legal regulations in other regions too. Another important topic in this regard is the German Act on Corporate Due Diligence Obligations in Supply Chains, which will result in a much more transparent collaboration network of companies across the globe. Legal compliance will come with opportunities, not obstacles, and we will recommend AMANN as the preferred partner to work with.
The motives of launching a cradle-to-cradle line was that in a high labor cost country like Germany, we need to produce innovative and sustainable materials and textiles in the future. The cooperation with the AMANN Group was very successful, as they are a pioneer in sustainable and innovative products, and therefore we could use a lot of products which they already had in their portfolio. Circularity will and has to play an essential part in the future of the textile industry in order to transform it into a sustainable model.
The production of our threads consumes a lot of water. The key phrase here is circularity. In order to improve water efficiency, we have implemented effluent treatment plants for our dye houses worldwide. With the technology in use, we achieve a very effective wastewater recovery from the dyeing process by physical, chemical and biological treatment. 50 to 80% of the water are usable for dyeing again, thereby eliminating any negative impact on the environment.
As the further improvements, we implemented the heat recovery system by using the hot wastewater from dyeing process to heat up the incoming water for the next process. This results in very efficient energy saving management.
The key challenges for the German industry are, first of all, to ensure that we have a stable energy supply at reasonable cost, a working supply chain, and the availability of highly qualified people. In 2050, AMANN will have a circular product portfolio. We will run and operate on a CO2 neutral production, and all products will be based on degradable materials.
Transforming the economy into circularity requires a change of mindset throughout the entire society. Getting inspiration by reliable role models will be key, and we at AMANN want to be this role model.